Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can add links to your Instagram story. Okay, so initially we needed 10,000 followers for doing that, but now we can do that without the limit of any Instagram followers. Okay, so first of all, you have to open your Instagram and here just go to your story. Okay, and here let's first say that I just want to tag a picture and let's first set a background here. So I will click on this draw and let's say that I just want to create a green background. So I will long press here and you can see my background is changed to green. Okay, and here now let's say that I just want to add a link to my Instagram story. So I will go to this option at the top, and here right now you can see I have got the option of link by default. Okay, and if you can't find this link option, then you can also search link from here. Okay, so you just have to search for link, and here at the top you can see I have got the option of link. I will simply press here. So here I will paste my YouTube channel's link. So I will long press here and I will paste my YouTube channel's link. Okay, so if you want to see preview, then here you can see this is my YouTube channel's link. And after that, here you can also create your own stickers. So if you will click on this, then you can just create your own stickers. Let's say that I just want to say YouTube channel. Okay, so here you can see I have added a link to my Instagram story. So that's how you can add a link to your Instagram story. For more Instagram videos, you can check out my YouTube channel.